AussieDoodle fans, we've got Patches and Cash's litter, and we're a little over 6 weeks old now. So I'm going to give you a little rundown about feeding these 9 puppies. So we're still doing the Taste of the Wild puppy chow mix. So we get 3 cups here.
There's Diva. Hi, Diva.
Running low. There we go. Alright. So. Okay. So we've got this big bowl of puppy food, and I microwave it for 1.5 minutes. So I will cut the camera here, and we will. I'll show you here in a minute when we feed them. Come on over, we're going to show you the puppy box here in the house. So once we've moved from the whelping box, the puppy can, we've got everybody in here. So, what are you all doing? Oh my goodness. So here's Patches. She wants in on all the action. These guys are getting so big. We started them on their panicure worming today, tomorrow, and Friday, and then we will have our vet appointment on Friday. So we use Independent Vet in Gainesville, Texas. They're awesome. They're just really a good group of vets, and they're always there when we need them. We love them. So let's go through everybody. As you see, everybody's getting furry now. All right, here's little Katie girl. Huh? Poor Katie. Everyone still kind of picks on her. She's a little girl. Huh? She's so cute. Huh, Miss Katie? Huh? She is just a doll. I don't know if you see her. So I'm just a little sweet little thing. Thank you for the kisses. Thank you for the kisses. Oh, here is Macy. Everyone's kind of dirty. They've been playing outside, but we're going to give them baths on Friday. Before we go to the vet, everybody's going to get a bath. So, here is Miss Macy. Oh my gosh. Everybody's got puppy kisses. And here's Maddie. Maddie. Oh my gosh, she's getting big. I need to weigh these guys for you again, but they get a little chunky. Oh, you're such a sweet girl. Everyone's been playing outside this afternoon. It's finally cooled off just a little bit in Texas. It's been like 90 degrees for weeks. Finally, it's about 82 today. Alrighty, who else we got here? Sugar Bear. She's a little chunk. So, she is just a little teddy bear. I know, you're a sweet little girl. Huh? You're like a little teddy bear. She's a little chunky monkey. She's a big girl of the bunch still, aren't you? I like to eat. Alright, let's see who we got here. Oh, there's our boy Otter. There he is, blue collar. I know, thank you. He's such a sweet little boy. I know, you love to give kisses to your mama. He might gray out a little bit. He's getting some kind of gray around his eyes, so. Here's Pepper. You scan up. Pepper's playing in the puppy bed. Everyone just got up from their nap when we got back in the house. So, but here's Benji. Benji's still the biggest boy of the bunch. Okay. He is doing good. He's so fluffy. He is so fluffy. You are such a good boy. Oh, Benji. Alright. There's Katie. There's Sugar. Who do we got here? Who's this? Red collar. So this must be our Lexi, huh? This is our Lexi, huh? I know. I didn't know the puppy kisses. Huh? She's being a good girl. Everybody's wagging their tail. Wag your tail, Lexi. Wag your tail. Alright, there's Katie, Maddie, Benji. Oh, Pepper. Miss Pepper. She is short and squatty. She is so funny. Huh? Yes? Huh? toy. Oh my gosh. Hi, Patches. Hi, Pepper. Sky's here somewhere. That's Otter. Oh, that's Lexi. There she is. Must be her here. Yep, there's Sky. There she is. She says, wait, I was playing with my toy. I was playing with my toy. Oh, easy girl. Huh? Easy girl. Huh? Oh my gosh. So, bass in the vet in 2 days. Huh? Yes, that'd be so good. And we're going to start with our treat training. And we've already trimmed nails once. We'll probably do that again before everybody goes home. So, everybody's doing good. Good and healthy. Patches is doing good. Patches! Here she is. Huh? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Yeah. They're getting big, huh? I know. So I'll feed them here in a minute. We like to feed them outside because at this point they are all about the puppy chow and they get it kind of everywhere. So we'll go through that here in a minute when we feed everybody outside. Release the hounds.
They all still latch on to Patches.
Poor Patches. She's kind of over it.
She kind of gets enough of them and she finally runs off where they can't get to her. Actually works pretty good. If you turn Patches in and call them, they all come that way.
Come on, everybody. Come on.
9 puppies is the most we've ever had. It's complete chaos.
Come on, everybody.
Hey!
Come on, Sugar. Come on, Maddie. Pepper. Come on. Come on, Pepper. Come on, Pepper.
Say hi, Pepper.
Pepper. Is that everybody but Pepper?
Everybody but, well, there's one more over here. Here he comes. I got him. You want to grab Pepper?
Oh, who else we got here? Oh my gosh. That's good. You can see it's mostly hard at this point. I just soak it in a little bit of water so they can still kind of crunch it up. So here we go. I learned this little trick to use these like a muffin pan, so that way everyone kind of has a little bit of a slot.
Come here. Come on.
And then the
Come here, Patches.
all right, here we go, everybody. Sugar's like, I'll just get this little leftovers. So I use the muffin tin and then the cookie sheet. So is that everybody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there you can see like Sugar's gonna get a little lighter. I think she's gonna turn that apricot color.
There's Annie.
Hey, Banana.
And there's
She is
Patches' sister, Tater Tot.
She is such a good aunt. She loves playing with these puppies. And she also likes the leftover puppy chow.
Get back, Annie.
Annie, no
Nope.
ma'am.
She loves those puppies.
It's usually that's Benji. That's like he just like dives into the middle of it. It just stands there and eats on all fours. And they're getting fed 2 to 3 times a day.
What do you think, Annie?
We like to feed them outside because it's usually within about 2 minutes that everybody potties. Huh? Eat and potty. Eat and potty. Annie. No, come here. Come here. that's it. That's good.
Okay. There's Tater Tot.
There's Tater. She'll be expecting next. Annie is Tater Tot's daughter. I know.
Okay.